I remember, so this thing जैसे आपने शाहरुख खान की जो भी फिल्म थी जो साइन होने वाली थी, nobody knew मैंने वो क्यों छोड़ी that time. So this was after Secret Superstar. I was going and I was journeying through certain things. मैं events वगैरह कर रही थी ये वो. But there was a thing within me that was constantly bugging me कि something is not right.
Assalamu alaikum. How do you normally say it, bro? Sorry. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah.
You are sick! The Quranly app. Subscription cheaper than Netflix. Encouraging Quran reading. Modern, engaging and fun. Download it today.
Smile to Jannah.
What should we react to?
When you said that this is off the cuff, bro, I didn't think it's going to be that level off the cuff.
Alright guys, so I am joined by the main man. Some people refer to him as my twin. And you know they say some people, they've got a good twin and an evil twin.
Yeah.
I think I'm your evil twin.
You are one lab accident away from becoming a supervillain.
So bro, this is Nav. You were on the Channel 4 program, bro. What was this Channel 4 program?
That was like about 10 years ago. No,
Go on.
about a couple of years ago, I was on a program called Extremely British Muslims, and basically followed me and my friend Wasim. Had what they said, 5 seconds of fame,
That's where the term Waz and Nav came up, isn't it?
something like that. Yeah.
And then the real part of your career, which is my lookalike.
Oh yeah.
How's that treating you?
Financially, it's not benefiting me in any way, shape or form.
Yeah, let's not mention those.
Not mentioning them things.
No, okay.
Are we still recording? Oh yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I love being your twin. Yeah.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is so embarrassing,
Yeah, mashallah.
Oh,
man.
what? Oh, man. Like, whoa, just, don't.
I'm like
don't
mini
go
me
over
of
the
you,
top.
bro. Yeah.
Oh, bro, just don't go over the top, Don't go on about it,
Yeah.
I'm a humble guy,
I'll go to like halal shops and say, "Are you gonna give me a discount?" Because I'm from Smile to Jannah. That's what I do.
Whoa.
Okay, we're going back to the other way again. You got to show me to be like some sort of humble. You know what I'm saying?
Crook! Wallah, you're a crook.
Alright, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to react to a video of Zaira Wasim. Yeah, some of you probably know Zaira Wasim left the Bollywood scene. She was in a movie called Dangal with Amir Khan, one of the 3 Khans.
Yeah, because I remember you were about to sign a movie with Shah Rukh Khan also, right?
Yes, I was.
And then that is the time when you said no, right? You said no, I don't want to do it. और किसी के साथ भी, it's not about him, it's about I'm leaving Bollywood, जो हर बंदे का ख्वाब है, mostly हमारी जो generation है.
I remember, so this thing जैसे आपने शाहरुख खान की जो भी फिल्म थी जो साइन होने वाली थी, nobody knew मैंने वो क्यों छोड़ी that time. So this was after Secret Superstar. I was going and I was journeying through certain things. मैं events वगैरह कर रही थी ये वो. But there was a thing within me that was constantly bugging me कि something is not right. I am a Muslim, and if this thing is bugging me, why is it bugging me? What is the problem? What is wrong that I'm doing? So I thought about it and I said, my heart knows that there is a creator. My heart sincerely believes that there is only one God. If you do love someone, you would obviously want to know what that person wants. And similarly, I thought that if Allah Ta'ala has created me, why is it that He has created me? It cannot be कि Allah Ta'ala ने आपको फजूल में दुनिया में भेज दिया है. It cannot.
There is a reason for it. Yeah.
It cannot be. He cannot send you on this earth to not do anything and just chill and eat and deny the reality. So I thought about it. I sat and I thought about it कि अच्छा कुछ तो है. अच्छा ठीक है, problem है. Now I want to search for knowledge.
So she left the whole music industry.
Okay, mashallah.
She was offered a role by the Shah Rukh Khan, King Khan, SRK.
Say what?
Tusi Jari or Tusi Najo, SRK. Who's the most popular? Is he like the Brad Pitt of Bollywood?
Pretty much.
Yo!
So for somebody to say no to him,
Yeah.
that's a big thing. What are your first impressions of knowing how the world is at the moment? Very, once you get the money, once you get the fame, you've made it now. Here is somebody that is got that, but then she left it. Like, what's she doing?
You genuinely see that the love that somebody has for Islam, that they sacrifice this is her this is a bread and butter as well, isn't it? This is how she earns a living.
Yeah.
And this is an income, and a lot of people from, India and Pakistan, a lot of us don't come from rich families, etc. So, getting that financial independence from doing a career like this, and the money that'll bring, and, the lifestyle changes, etc. And then to turn your back on it completely for the sake of your religion, it's very amicable. I think it's fantastic what the sister's done, especially, when you're in the public limelight, bro. Leaving that and going back into a private life. So I can imagine that she's like moved away from social media and things like that.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
It's like a complete change of life, a complete like change of culture, like everything. So
some celebrities, when they leave that lifestyle, they need a coach, like a therapist that helps them transition from that life to the other life.
Yeah, I can imagine.
But for her to do that, to leave money, bro, she'd even get practicing people coming and saying, yo, you're doing good work, and oh, that's amazing, I've seen your movie and this and that.
Yeah.
So to go even past that, because even, bro, why were you told to get good grades at school?
So you can get a good job and, have a successful career and do
so
X, Y, and
good
Z.
Job.
Yeah.
Why do you need a good job to get what? The Rokra,
the rupees,
the Mal,
the
Wonga,
the Taka, my Bengali brothers.
Okay.
So money is obviously a big motivation for people to do whatever they're doing.
From a small age, it's been indoctrinated into us. That's why we going into school. That's the whole reason for our education. It's not to become a good person. It's so we can get a job and survive.
And understanding from what you said, the sister was at the peak of her career, and I can only make dua that she's as successful in terms of deen and akhirah at the same as she was with the dunya perspective, inshallah.
And you know what? I also pray that Allah gives us similar love. Because when you love somebody, yeah, like I know, you have that
I love
love,
you, bro.
You know what I'm
no
saying?
Need to say it. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, like that. I mean, it's just like at that level that I don't think the people can understand.
Struggling to control, like, my love for you right now, bro.
No,
Yeah,
I'm saying,
I love you too much,
like,
bro.
it's too much.
Yeah.
You know what some people do in relationships, bro? They are willing to go to another country just for their beloved. Going from their home to a totally different way of life.
Yeah.
They're willing to sacrifice their jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're willing to sacrifice their comfortable nature just because they love this individual. And obviously we know that true love, the love that actually gives back, is Allah. Because any other love that you have, whether it's parents, children, or husband or wife, they're going to die. They're going to eventually burn out.
It's eternal love. I think that's the word you're looking for.
That's right.
And that's not like a cheesy Bollywood song.
That's right.
We fall in love with temporary things and wonder why, our happiness doesn't last. And when somebody sacrifices, everything that they've got in this world and everything that they've worked and set out to achieve, and that once they've even achieved that, and then just to turn a complete blind eye to it and go and focus on your deen and learning your religion and, completely moving away from social media as such.
The thing is that we all have that gap or void within us. Yeah, that only Allah and His religion can fill. Why? Because Allah's created us like that. Yeah. The problem comes when we have that void, but we've distanced ourselves from our Creator.
Of course, yeah.
With excuses like the problem of evil, or there's too many religions, or there's too many sects, or whatever the excuse may be. Yeah. But when it comes to everything and anything else, we'll spend ages trying to find the right shampoo, the right pair of trainers. We get loads of options. But when it comes to the religion, no, I can't make that effort. Yeah, but that void, when you start filling it with money, with fame, with other things, it's just like a car with the wrong type of petrol. It might last a couple of minutes or push start or whatnot, but on the motorway, you're finished. And that's the thing with practicing people. You may not have big bank accounts and, big buildings, but you're able to sleep in peace.
Of course. And you'd rather be not famous in this world and be famous amongst the angels and with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
That's right.
See, drop that lyric there.
Know what I'm saying?
Chicka chicka, all of that.
Yeah. Where's the light? Drop some bars, bro. Drop some bars.
Why is there a siren on?
Because it makes us look cool and like ruffians. No, come on. They're not ready for this.
Rough around the edges, I don't speak the most eloquent. Inner city kid, my lifestyle wasn't elegant.
Okay.
So many people try so hard to be relevant. Knowing when to speak is a sign of intelligence. I worship the Lord of all atoms, all elements. My role model's born in the year of the elephant. I'm Muslim. I say proud, no hesitance. Some of us have lost a backbone in our skeleton.
Spineless.
I'll share some home truths for those who don't know. Those Khadijas turn to Kads and Mohammeds turn to Mo's that make fun of their bros that wear kameez and thobes. That put their own sisters off of wearing modest clothes. Anyone slips up, they're the first to expose. Got an excuse for yourself, but no excuse for your bro or your sis.
That's right.
Simple times I reminisce. I remember chipping in for a doner meat and chips.
Nice.
These days, you can't eat your food before Instagram pics. Try to validate our life with all these likes and these hits. Need that dopamine hit. We addicts need our fix. And it's mad how the whole world's at our fingertip, but we can't relate to others on a personal level. Social media's got us thinking we're special. Petty differences that we can't seem to settle. These days your own bro will sting you like a nettle. Where I'm from, there's no flowers or rose petals. Kids are killing each other with pieces of metal. Brothers are weighed down by the dust in their vessel. Will they take him a cry without no bass and a treble? Everybody's trying to be the next Frank Lucas. We've got names like Isa but be moving like Judas.
Yo, woohoo!